Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a new series, a Lunar Magic series. This program is a program for making your own SMW ROMs, Super Mario World ROMs. And today, in this episode, we're just gonna be covering what you need to be able to use this program called Lunar Magic. So, bear with me. So you want to go to Open ROM. Before I open my ROM, I want to show you all of these folders. So yeah. Wait. So for first folder we have is this custom music folder. This allows you to you would like to download a program called Add Music K. Allows you to add custom music to your ROMs. We'll do a video on that, so let's move on. Now we have X graphics. This is a file where you put all your custom graphics in. Then we have this folder for graphics. This is where all your graphics are going to go. A program called YYCHR. And levels folders for a folder just in case something happens to your game, to your ROM. You can store your levels in there. Palettes we'll be talking about later. ROM backup is very important to have. You shall have it because just in case something happens to your game is you should have this this copy of your ROM. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to Lunar Magic. We wanna open our ROM. Yeah, open our ROM right here. So you have the overworld map here. Alright, we have the level itself. So yeah, look at all this. We can we can change any aspect of this level. Like move the pipe, move the bush, move this hill, move the star coin, and move the bush. And you see this shell here? If you click this, now it only allows you to touch the sprites. You can't touch the ground and bushes anymore, the hills. You can only touch sprites such as the enemies, like Rex here, and this block here, and this Koopa here, and this Bonsai Bill. Let's move. You can also touch Mario with it, so yeah, that's something else. You can touch this hidden mushroom behind the bush too. So anyways, yeah, that's the shells for picking up only sprites, like that. Let's move on to these two buttons. If you press this button right here, this button with the turn block on it, it shows you all the objects, all these objects. You can click them with a right click and then paste. You can click them with left click and then paste them with right click. Paste them in with right click. So yeah, you can paste all these pipes here. Just delete them all. Oh, I didn't mean to delete the ground. So undo that. Delete. There you go. Alright. So yeah. And then if you go to this blue Yoshi here, baby Yoshi here, the blue baby Yoshi, you click the shell and then place any sprite with clicking it with left click and pasting it with right click. You can put all these Koopas here, and the blue Koopas. So yeah, let's delete all of these. And these two buttons, we got the 8x8 graphics editor, the 16x16 tile editor. We have this, which allows you to put different backgrounds in the level. And we have this castle, which brings us to the overworld. We'll talk about that later in the palette editor, which we'll also talk about later. And so on and so on. Yeah. So let's make our little level here. Let's press Control Delete. It will ask you, do you want to delete all objects, sprites, screen exits, and secondary entrances from this level? It gives you a choice, yes or no, okay or cancel. I click okay, and that gets rid of all of these sprites. So all this stuff that was there. So yeah, let's talk about this. Alright, now let's make a level. So let's just get the ledge here, put some ground there, put some ground there, put some ground like that, and then we can put like some slope here, another slope here. Let's drag that, make that bigger. Let's put oh my god. Let's put a steep slope here. And now let's get this. No, we don't want that. We want this. Like that. Alright, there we go. Now we want the walk-through dirt. Put it like this. And more dirt. There we go. We got that cool slope. Another thing you want to do before anyone tests your levels, or you want to go to Open, Change Properties, and Header dialog. You click this Mario head. Then you want to go to this layer 1 FG vertical scrolling. You want to put vertical scroll at will. In this case, you want to put vertical scroll at will. So yeah, save it. Put some coins. With coins, you can literally just drag it like this. We'll look at all those coins. Put that all right here, because why not? There we go. Make it all fit. Press some turn blocks. There we go. Put some munchers, because why not? Let's put them on top of the turn blocks, because that looks a little cool, I guess. Just put them all there. There we go. Pipe here. Pipe there. So you can't even get. And no, I just. Oh man. Oh man. Let's get rid. I'll put the coins last. Alright. So now you want to put the coins. Again. There you go. Oh man. I'm just going to get rid of the coins and just put all these coins. So there we go. Then you can put some grab blocks on top of the muncher so you can get over the obstacle. Like that. So you can actually walk on the munchers a little. Bullet Bill launcher. The Bullet machine is very different from Mario Maker, because Mario Maker, they just work on their own. Not in this game. This game, you have to put a you have to put something to actually make it work. So you want to go to Shell, go to Baby Blue Yoshi, and you want to scroll all the way down to this where it says Bullet Bill Shooter, and then you want to place it over the launcher. So that's something else. And before we do anything else, I want to show you something in the map 16. you can get like this muncher right here. And you get that muncher and place it right here. Then you would press flip Y, and then it becomes an upside down muncher. So yeah, that's something else that's cool. You can put that there. There you go. So yeah. Okay, let's do some more stuff, like put this. Do some moving around. Oh, that looks ugly. We can this invisible one-up block right here. All of them like right here. Cause why not? It's a test. Delete that. You wanna I'm gonna put some Yoshi coins here. Like that. All 5 of them, so you can one up right away. Talk about screen exits in an episode later. Put this arrow sign right here. Now let's move on to the sprites. Shell mode, Baby Yoshi, and let's get some sprites here. Put some of these, like this, and put some Rex. Rexes are the best. Put a bonsai bill right here. A splitting chuck right here. There we go. Good level design here. And I guess I'll put a bouncing Koopa Troopa right here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, it's gonna be a difficult level. So yeah, let's put a key here for demonstrations later in the series. Where's the key? There, here's the key. Actually, I'm gonna make it a little different. I made it a little difficult. The keyhole there, and put the key up here. We have to travel. Then we want to put the end pole. So let's go back to that ground piece right here, and let's go to the end pole, the gold pole. Here it is. So yeah, like that. Alright, and let's go to the shell mode and click the baby blue Yoshi and find that gold tape, the normal gold tape. If you put if it says secret exit 1, then it's just going to activate a secret exit. You want a normal exit goal. So put that make sure you put it at the bottom too. If you put it anywhere here, it's just going to keep going up and down and off the gold pool. It's going to look very ugly. So you put that on the bottom. Make sure everything's okay. I'm gonna put a cape here to help him out. Help Mario out. And yeah. That's about it here. Talking about level design in this level, how you can paste things. Part 2, we're probably going to be covering how to use the overworld editor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.